Woke up stiff, shoulders tight, spine compressed, and energy already leaking before your day even starts? That's not just sleep inertia. It's your fascia, your breath, and your body asking for room. Let's reclaim that space before the world even has a chance to steal it. Let's hit the mat. This one's about mobility and awareness. Interlace your fingers, extend your arms overhead, and lean gently to one side. Hold for 2 seconds, then alternate. Let your ribs expand, let your spine sway. I promise this stretch wakes up your obliques, decompresses your core, and restores lateral flexibility you didn't realize you'd lost. Beginners, here's a tip. Keep a slight bend in the knees. Advanced, need a challenge? Add a tiny pulse at the bottom of each bend. Can you feel that pulling under your ribs? That's your breath returning to full volume. Hold one more on each side, and now let's add some rotation to that newfound space. Drop into a deep squat, feet a bit wider than hips, elbows inside your knees. Now plant your right hand and twist your left arm up to the sky. Follow with your eyes. Stay grounded, but reach like something's just out of reach. You're not just twisting your spine, you're rotating your rhythm. I promise this stretch hits the thoracic spine, opens your chest, and balances your hips. Beginners, stay higher in the squat. Advanced, pulse at the top of the rotation. Feel that? That's stability meeting flexibility. Now switch sides. Keep that gaze strong. Rotation always reveals your weak side. And that's exactly where growth lives. You're about to get even looser. Stand tall, take a wide stance, now hinge at the hips and reach for your right foot. Center, left foot, and repeat. Go slow. This isn't about touching your toes, it's about listening to your hamstrings. I promise this movement improves circulation to the brain, stretches your posterior chain, and rebalances left to right imbalances. Beginners, soften your knees. Advanced, add a twist when you reach for each foot. Can you reach a little further each time? This is your spine realigning. Let's now open your upper body to match it. Clasp your hands behind your back, pull your knuckles toward the floor, and lift your chest. Now gently tilt your chin up without crunching the back of your neck. This is your posture antidote. I promise this reverses hours of screen time, tension in your shoulders, and that collapsed, shallow breathing pattern most people live in. Beginners, do this seated if needed. Advanced, add a little challenge by interlacing your fingers and folding forward. Are you feeling the stretch across your chest and biceps? If not, check your breath. You might still be guarding. Let's tie it all together with rotation and coordination. Take your right arm across your chest, use your left hand to pull it gently into your body. While you're here, circle your left ankle with both directions. This combo might seem strange, but coordination restores connection. I promise this movement activates shoulder mobility and reawakens your foundation, your feet and ankles. Beginners, keep the ankle roll small. Advanced, close your eyes and test your balance. Still with me? Reverse directions. Hold that stretch. Breathe deeper for the last 5 seconds. Can you feel both sides of your body reuniting? That just lit up your rotation and alignment. Let's seal this in.